Hi guys, for this video pinapakanta ko yung mga kids dito sa village namin, doon sa village namin. And even my mother and my father is already in heaven. I want to have what's this Christmas love on my in the house of our parents in my village. So I told them to sing Christmas song. So let's go and watch it. And thank you very much, girls. For singing. Maraming salamat, dagang salamat sa pagkanta ng Christmas song sa bahay sa akong mga magulang. I love you all and I miss you.
Happy Diwali ko daw. Magpunta sila niya.